Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Marvel Strike Force codes. These special codes are a fantastic way to get free in-game rewards, boosting your progress significantly. They often provide valuable resources such as gold, character shards, and essential gear. Developers frequently release new codes during special events or promotions, so staying updated is key to claiming these helpful bonuses. Finding these codes is easier than you might think. The official Marvel Strike Force social media pages are a primary source, often announcing new codes there. Additionally, active community forums and Discord servers are excellent places where players share discoveries. Always keep an eye on your in-game mail and announcements, as codes sometimes appear directly within the game. Redeeming a code is a straightforward process. First, navigate to the official Marvel Strike Force web redemption portal. You will need to log in using your game account credentials to ensure the rewards are sent to the correct account. Once logged in, simply enter the valid code into the designated text field and confirm your submission. Your free rewards will then appear in your in-game inbox within moments. To make the most of these codes, remember a few key tips. Always double-check the code for any typos before submitting it to ensure successful redemption. Many codes have expiration dates, so redeem them as soon as you find them. Be aware that some codes might be region-specific or limited to a single use per account. Sharing valid codes with your alliance can also foster great teamwork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.